In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Deel to Wise. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta log in to your Deel website over here, and this is the Deel website. I have a drawing board open up, but you can see it's basically the dashboard. So over here, you wanna first click on this part up here, which is basically your profile picture. Now, once you click on that, a new window will pop up, which basically gives you the option to see your account type as well as your account settings in here. So inside the account settings over here, as you can see, you want to select these, and then you want to select withdrawal methods, and then click on add method. So inside the account settings, it's going to say withdrawal methods and then add method. Now, once you do this, you'll see you'll be able to add a new withdrawal method. And over here, you have two options. So the first one is to directly select Wise over here, and then it will take you all the way through it, and you'll be able to basically withdraw your money to Wise. However, the second option you have is you can simply click on here where it says bank transfer, and then once you click on that, you'll have to enter in your details as prompted, and then after that, make sure you actually set your Wise account details as your preferred payment method. Now after that, simply withdraw your balance to your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.